Ever headed out on a camping trip and thought, wait, what if someone actually gets hurt? Yeah, me too. Having the best camping first aid kit can literally be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a serious problem. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 15 options, covering size, durability, contents, and value, so you walk away knowing exactly which kit is right for your next adventure. Let's get into it. Number 1. Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit. If you want something small enough to toss in a day pack without even noticing it's there, the Vriexsd Mini First Aid Kit is a solid starting point. It packs around 100 pieces into a compact, waterproof soft pouch that keeps everything dry even when the weather doesn't cooperate. It's built for hikers, bikers, and anyone doing short outdoor trips where space is tight. That said, don't expect it to handle anything beyond minor cuts, scrapes, and blisters. The essentials are all there, but this isn't the kit you'd bring for a week-long group expedition. Think of it as your everyday carry solution, lightweight, capable, and ready when you need it. Great for solo day hikers. Next up, the Poygik First Aid Kit hits that sweet spot between size and coverage with around 200 pieces packed into a durable zippered case. The organization is clean and intuitive, so you're not fumbling around trying to find what you need when every second counts. It works just as well in the car or at home as it does at the campsite. What I appreciate here is the balance. It's not so bulky that it's annoying to carry, but it's not so lean that you'll feel underprepared. The zippered compartments keep everything in place, and the overall build feels solid for the price point. A well-rounded pick for weekend campers and road trippers alike. Number 3. Vriexsd 320-piece First Aid Kit. Alright, if you're heading out with a group and want to be genuinely prepared, the Vriexsd 320-piece First Aid Kit is the one to consider. You get a massive 320-piece supply set inside a tough, waterproof hard-shell case that can handle rough handling on the trail. This is the kind of kit that gives you options no matter what kind of injury comes up. The hard case design means you're not worried about supplies getting crushed at the bottom of a bag, which is a huge practical win. Extended trips, family camping weekends, or group hikes, this kit has the depth to handle it all. If maximum supply count matters to you, this is your winner. Number 4. Gevoke First Aid Kit. The Gevoke First Aid Kit is built with the outdoors in mind from the ground up. With roughly 250 pieces housed in a rugged, waterproof case, it's designed to survive the same rough conditions you are. Organized compartments make it easy to grab exactly what you need without dumping everything out in a panic. This one leans heavily into durability and dependability, making it a great choice for outdoor travel where gear takes a beating. It's not trying to be the biggest or the flashiest, it's just solid, reliable, and well-built. If rugged durability is your priority, Gevoke delivers. Number 5. First Aid Only First Aid Kit. Here's one that crosses over beautifully between the job site and the campsite. The First Aid Only First Aid Kit. With around 299 pieces in a structured hard case with OSHA compliance, this kit is built to a professional standard that most camping kits can't match. That means the supplies inside meet regulated requirements for content and quality. Whether you're a contractor who also loves weekend hiking or just someone who wants that extra confidence knowing their kit is up to professional standards, this one delivers. It's a bit more structured than a typical camping kit, but that's exactly the point. Coming in next is the General Medi First Aid Kit, packing an impressive 309 pieces into a soft bag with one seriously clever feature. It's reflective. That means if you're searching for it in low light or at night, it's actually visible, which sounds simple but could matter a lot in a real emergency. It's a thoughtful design touch that not many kits bother with. The piece count here is genuinely comprehensive, covering a wide range of injury types for camping and travel. The soft bag keeps weight down, while the reflective exterior adds safety value that goes beyond just what's inside. A standout choice for campers who think ahead. Number 7. Band-Aid Emergency First Aid Kit. You already know the name, and with the Band-Aid Emergency First Aid Kit, that familiar trust from Johnson & Johnson translates into a reliable, portable kit for family outings. With around 160 pieces in a compact pouch, it covers the wound care basics that families encounter most on camping trips: cuts, scrapes, and minor burns. It's not the most stacked kit on this list, but it punches above its weight in brand reliability and ease of use. Kids are rough on everything, and knowing you're working with a trusted household name adds peace of mind. For family weekend camping, this one just makes sense. Number 8. EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit. Now we're shifting gears. The EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit isn't just a first aid kit, it's a full survival system. With over 250 pieces, plus survival tools like a flashlight and knife, packed into a military-grade tactical pouch, this is built for the real backcountry. If your camping trips involve remote trails, off-grid sites, or emergency preparedness, this one speaks your language. The tactical pouch is durable and purpose-built, designed to handle abuse in harsh conditions. The added survival tools mean you're not just prepared for medical situations, you're prepared, period. For survival camping or serious preparedness setups, EVERLIT is hard to beat. Number 9. AMORNING First Aid Kit. Not everyone needs a 300-piece tactical survival system, and that's exactly where the AMORNING First Aid Kit fits in. At around 150 pieces in a compact pouch, it's one of the most budget-friendly options on this list, while still covering the first aid basics you'll actually reach for on a typical trip. It's a no-fuss, no-frills kit designed for personal carry. If you're a solo camper, a student, or just someone who wants basic coverage without spending a lot, AMORNING gets the job done. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and won't weigh down your budget or your backpack. A solid entry-level pick for casual outdoor adventurers. Number 10. Swiss Safe First Aid Kit. When quality of build really matters, the Swiss Safe First Aid Kit stands apart. Packing 120 pieces into a compact but seriously premium waterproof hard case, every component inside is designed to a higher standard than you'd find in a budget kit. It's built for travel and camping, where the kit itself needs to hold up as much as the supplies inside. Yes, the piece count is modest compared to some others, but what's there is well chosen and high quality. The hard case provides excellent protection, and the overall package feels worth every penny. Kicking off the back half of our list is the First Aid Travel First Aid Kit, a lightweight, no-nonsense option with around 100 pieces in a small soft case. It's purpose-built for travel and vehicle storage, slim enough to slide into a glove box or side pocket without taking up precious space. The essentials are all covered for minor on-the-go emergencies. This isn't a kit built to handle serious wilderness scenarios. It's a practical, everyday safety net for road trips and casual travel. If you spend more time in the car than on the trail, this compact option hits the mark. A smart, lightweight pick for travelers who like to stay prepared. Number 12. Protect Life First Aid Kit. The Protect Life First Aid Kit is all about smart design, taking around 100 pieces and organizing them in a way that makes every item genuinely accessible in a hurry. The compartment layout is intuitive and well thought out, so you're not digging through a pile of random supplies when time is short. It's designed specifically with backpackers in mind. What separates this one is that focus on usability, not just supply count. Keeping your kit organized and accessible on the trail is underrated, and Protect Life nails it. For backpackers who want a compact kit that's actually easy to use, this one earns a spot in your pack. Number 13. ATIKI Mini First Aid Kit. Sometimes less is more, and the ATIKI Mini First Aid Kit leans fully into that idea. With around 90 pieces in a waterproof mini case, it's the most pocket-friendly option on this entire list. We're talking ultra-light, ultra-compact, fits in a jacket pocket and barely registers on the scale. If you're a minimalist hiker who hates carrying extra weight but still wants basic emergency coverage, this is your kit. It won't replace a full camping kit, but as a personal carry for day hikes, it's hard to argue with the simplicity. Best for ultralight hikers who want a pocket-sized safety net. Number 14. Verify Gear Survival First Aid Kit. The Verify Gear Survival First Aid Kit is another serious contender for the survival crowd, bringing over 200 pieces plus additional tools in a tactical MOLLE-compatible pouch. The MOLLE system means you can attach it directly to a backpack, vest, or tactical gear for instant, hands-free access. It's built for rugged outdoor conditions where standard kits fall short. The combination of medical supplies and survival tools makes this a versatile system rather than a single-purpose kit. If you run a modular gear setup or spend serious time in the backcountry, Verify Gear fits right into the system. Closing out our list is the Gevoke Medical First Aid Kit, a tactical powerhouse with around 180 pieces plus gear inside a MOLLE-compatible tactical pouch. It combines medical supplies with emergency gear in a package designed for emergency responders, preppers, and serious outdoor use. The MOLLE system gives it versatility to attach anywhere in your kit. This one is built for people who treat preparedness as a lifestyle, not just a checkbox. The build quality and gear selection are aimed at those who may find themselves in genuinely critical situations. If you want the most comprehensive emergency response style camping kit on this list, Gevoke delivers. And that's a wrap on the best camping first aid kits of 2026. If I had to pick two standouts, the EVERLIT Survival Kit is unbeatable for serious adventurers, and the Vriexsd 320-piece kit is the top choice for group camping. Check the links in the description to grab yours. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Which kit caught your eye? Comment below. I read every one.